Juicy flicks are different to Vanny rolls.
I don't know.
You'll see. You'll see, my daughter, you will see. Okay, you ready?
Weird names.
Well, they're not weird, they're the people who came up with them, right? So, Alex Van Hoven was the one who came up with the Vanny roll. But that's not what we're doing. We're doing a bit of proxy, and then we're going to do Juicy Flick. Okay, Juicy Flick is under, and then slide out. I went too high. Let's try it again. So you go under, and then slide out.
That's weird.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, really? You can see it from there. Did it look cool? Went too high. Keep giving it too much, so yeah, like that. Alright, can you actually see that thing? And there's a few variations, so I guess one of the variations I was thinking of was similar to my Vanny roll one, where I go like that and then, you know, the half back thing or whatever. So I was thinking maybe with the Juicy you could go a little like that, but get that level. Sort of like a Rubik's Cube. So I'm liking the exits like that, so because I guess it pretty much is a Rubik's Cube by then. But yeah, traditional Juicy Flick is just that and then slide out. Simple as that. This thing's insane, eh?
Oh, man.
Where?
No, you're flying right near a hawk. Did you not see that? Oh. Did you see the hawk?
I did see him. Kind of concentrating not to crash. So get the Juicy Flicks lower. I'm not going as low as I could. That's better. There we go. There we go. Doing them out of things is pretty cool, or through things. So I would do one through that. Would look cool. Let's try that. Let's laser flip up here first. Woo! Sick. Oh no, I won't go through there. Alright, so maybe that's the other one. So you go backwards, so you can also do it like that, I believe. But I don't know what looks better. I'm not the best at it, I'm not gonna say. Okay, hold on. Let's do that again through here. That was sort of a double one. So yeah, traditionally you'll just go back and then slide out. So you're only half rolling really. So under, half roll, and then slide, yeah? So under, half roll, and slide. See that, Maya? Yeah. Getting better at them. Oh man, that was close. Oh shit, I'm out of batteries, that's why. So that would be cool. I'll come past, do one past the car, Maya. You ready? Just film in front of the car essentially, and I'll just come past the car and do it. Okay, synchronize. Juicy Flick is under, slide out. I'll try it again, Maya. You ready? Filming? You get that? Okay, again, ready? Just Juicy Flick. Get it? Yeah, cool. One more. Ready? Get it? They're starting to look better. That's for sure. So I'm starting to get that slide out better. So coming down, I'm not booting out of it like I was and getting more height. I'm controlling the throttle better out of it now. It's getting a lot better. Damn, this thing's fast. See, I'm coming down. Yeah, nice. That's good. That's good. Okay, so that's a juicy flick. That was almost me hitting trees. And so you can do the juicy flick under, like that as well. Ooh, bit of a shitty slide out. Okay, Maya, you ready? You filming? Okay, ready. Here we go, another one. Yeah, that one seems to catch it a bit more, like on the slide out. The fuck yeah. Mine almost out of battery already. Trippy will put her out anyway. I thought I saw a gap up there, I was going to take it. Ah. Yeah, getting better, they're getting better. Nope.